So here is a thing you can do in Logic to make a kind of boring hats loop a little bit more interesting. So if we take a look at this project here and just play it back, you can listen how it is now. There's nothing wrong with it. It sounds all right, but you know, you want to add some variation on it, and it can be difficult if you use a loop, right? And you can go in and you can use the scissor tool and you can cut and everything like that, but that's also a little bit cumbersome. There should be an easy way to try to make it more interesting. And one thing you can do is you go to your audio track here where you have your loop, add and affect the noise gate. So you go to dynamics and noise gate, stereo in this case. Okay, so here we have the noise gate. Let's go to the preset and let's select tighten up. Select the threshold and set it to -100 dB and play. So this is the original sound, but listen when I adjust the threshold knob here. I guess you hear that. And then we can make an automation on that. To do an automation, I just usually go to the audio track here. I go to this part and I select latch and I press record. And okay, like so. So we have the automation there, and if we play it back, I guess it should work. Remember to set the automation to read. Then we can also add a small delay, a stereo delay for example. Just take down the mix a little bit. Let's just solo everything here. Another thing we can do is just when we add a delay, we add more sound, you know, and we can just take an LFO tool to kind of side chain it to the bass. You can do like this. Using samples, pre-recorded stuff is really great, but it's very easy to get this robotic feel when you just place it in your track and start creating something. Just adding some plugin and recording it while you record the automation yourself, you kind of get this human element in this thing, and I think that is noticeable when you release a track. That was the tip for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.